Hi, Computer Applications students. This is Dr. Peterson, and I will be your instructor for this term. I welcome you to our course. I wanted to provide an overview of our course and a voice to connect to. As you can see when you log into Moodle, Moodle will be your source for all course content. You will need to navigate the first orientation block in Moodle link by link prior to the end of the first week of classes. I want to highlight a few essentials. The announcements forum will be a place for the most current information. You can find each post in your University of Northwestern email inbox, in the first Moodle block, and just below the Contacting Your Instructor block. Check back often, as information will be delivered to this forum frequently. You may also participate in the course support and social discussion forums. The course support forum is for non-time sensitive questions about the course site. Anyone in the course can respond. The social support forum is for you to interact with other students about topics not related to the course. You can use this forum to share prayer requests or ask questions of other members of the class. Make sure you download and thoroughly review the syllabus. Here you will find a comprehensive checklist of activities that must be completed prior to the first week, as well as for any subsequent weeks. You will also find answers to questions regarding grading, course policies, and what is covered on a particular assignment or quiz. Often, students find it helpful to save a copy of the syllabus in a course folder that they start. You may also find it helpful to save it to your desktop so that you have easy access to it during the term. Review the information provided in the Getting Started in Your Course and Welcome Message links. In the Welcome message, you will find my contact information. Note that the best email to contact me is not via my Northwestern email, but my personal email. Enter this into your email contact list, as you can always contact me, even when the course is finished. Here, too, you will find a link to my e-portfolio. Then, have fun with the Introductions forum. Here, you should share information about your background, education, or long-term goals. You may want to describe your anticipations for this course. This is also where you can connect with other students. Find something in common with someone? Reply to their post. Peer-to-peer interaction is highly encouraged. Next, you will see the plagiarism and student responsibility links. At the University of Northwestern, completion of the Understanding Plagiarism presentation and quiz and students' responsibility exercise are mandatory prior to starting any course material. The final links in the first orientation block are about submitting assignments and resources for the basic computer apps that will be used in this course. Regarding assignments, you need to submit document files using the format requested for a particular assignment. For example, a spreadsheet assignment should be submitted with Microsoft Excel and have the XLS extension. You will learn more about this as we progress through the course. I do advise that you choose the Submit Assignment option versus the Draft or Edit My Submission option. Once you have finished the orientation block, proceed to the Week 1 block. First, read the Week 1 overview. This will have detailed directions for the week. You will find a concise introduction, resources, assignments, and due dates. That's it. After you've completed the first block, the process will become second nature to you. You'll read the weekly overview, study the resources, research and review applicable tutorials or resources, and complete the learning activities for the week. Specific projects, quizzes, and other types of learning activities will be discussed in future posts. Just to give you a glimpse of what is in store, you will be learning basic computer terminology and learn how they function. You will get to know your computer, its specifications, and how it works. You will update and/or upgrade your computer and know the difference between the two. Create a technology toolbox using a collaborative wiki. Set up and explore Office 365 applications. And create numerous documents, such as a course notebook in OneNote, curriculum vitae in Word, expense report in Excel, autobiography in PowerPoint, and e-portfolio in Google Sites. You will create many items that you can use in college and beyond. I hope that God guides you in your path for this course and for your career. I am here to help. If you ever need to contact me, please do not hesitate. Until next time, this is Dr. Peterson.